everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really quick video showing you guys how I tailor the waist on my jeans and my shorts to make them fit better. I know a lot of us have the problem that we find really cute jeans that fit our legs perfectly, they fit our tush perfectly, but when it gets to the waist area, they tend to be loose, and then sometimes we get this gap in the back. Well, I'm going to show you how I fix that. It's super fast, it's simple, and it's been a real game changer for me. I've been doing this to all of my jeans and my shorts, and they fit so much nicer. So please keep watching. So for this project, you're going to need scissors. You're going to need the shorts or jeans that you're working with. I'm going to start with these. And you're going to need elastic. This one I got at Walmart. They have different sizes, but I made sure to grab something that is smaller than the seam of your waist, because we are going to be putting it in there. You're also going to need thread and a needle if you're doing this by hand. I'm using a sewing machine, but I have done it by hand, so I know you can definitely do it by hand. It just takes a little bit longer. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut off a piece of elastic about 5 to 6 inches long. I don't have a ruler, so I'm just eyeballing it and just kind of measure where it's going to go. Once you know where it's going to go, you're going to remove it and you're actually going to cut into the jeans. Now they have this really fancy gadget for cutting fabric that I don't have, so I use scissors. I just have to be really careful to kind of separate the two fabrics, because you know these are double lined and you only want to cut on the inside. So I'm going to cut it just like that. And then you're just going to cut a large enough opening for the elastic to fit through, and you're going to do the same thing on the other side of the tag. So once you have both of the openings there, you want to insert the elastic through one of the ends and just push it in with your finger until you get it to the other side. This is probably the hardest part, because sometimes it gets stuck and you just kind of have to play with it until you can get it to the other side, to get it to come out through the other side. So now that you can see it on both sides, what I'm going to do is pull it out and then sew it down to the seam of the shorts, because when I let go and it's sewn down, the shorts are automatically going to shrink in the waist, and that's how you're going to get that really fitted effect. So let's sew it down. Okay, so I've already sewn one side. Me personally, I don't feel like it has to be perfect, so this is how I did it, but if you want it to be absolutely perfect, you can always use a thread that's the same color of your jeans or your shorts, but this will do for me. So now what I'm going to do is pull it out through this side and sew it on this side as well. Okay, so as you can see, I've sewn it on both sides, and like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect, at least not to me. You can hardly tell on the outside, but let me put it on and show you how the gap is gone now. So this is it for the video, guys. This is how the jeans are fitting. No gap in the back, and that just makes me so happy. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!